So
Hello.
today we just continue. We will continue mastering research paper reading. You see, what does it mean? So, of course, it means just we do need to learn how to read research papers effectively. For that, we have learning outcomes, the same learning outcomes. You need to understand the structure and components of research paper, develop effective reading strategies, then practice annotation techniques for active reading, and of course, identify key takeaways from research paper and synthesize the information. As for reading strategies, please look attentively. Present various reading strategies, such as in what way you have to read. You need to learn skimming and scanning for key information, annotating while reading. When you read and you need to think, what is it? What it is about, you see? What is happening, yeah? How to understand what is written. So, creating a summary or outline and discuss when to use each strategy. Okay, as for skimming, what does mean skimming? When you start the reading, first of all, purpose of skimming. It is used to get a quick overview on the entire text and identify its main ideas, structure, and purpose. So your home task was to be ready with monograph pages, yes, which I gave you. Do you remember which monograph I gave you? What is the author? Do you remember?
Yes, we remember.
Yeah. Okay, very nice. We will return and I will ask for you. So let's continue. What is skimming? So to get a quick overview, do you and identify the main idea, structure, and purpose. As for technique, read the title, subtitles, and headings to understand the organization of the text. So it was your home task, I just reminding for you, what is it? Scanning, the word scanning, it's also, you have known. What is the purpose of scanning? It is used to locate specific details or information within the text, such as a particular fact, figure, or keyword. As for technique of scanning, have a clear idea. What are you looking for before you start scanning? Okay, the next. So as it will be your home task, yes, but now I need to listen to you. How have you prepared your monograph pages? Have you catch the idea? Okay, I divide as the book. What is the headline of that book, the title? An Introduction to Curriculum Research and Development. The author is Lauren Stenhouse, yeah? Okay, so I gave you defining the curriculum problem. Defining the curriculum problem, yeah? Okay, so who wants to start? Who wants to start? Girls. Nagima, could you start? What you have
Okay.
prepared? Just shortly. What you have
Okay.
prepared?
The main idea of my abstract, definitions of the word,
Abstract,
curriculum.
yeah.
Yes, abstract. Definition of the word curriculum do not solve curricular problems. Firstly, in this chapter, I shall examine some definitions and then attempt to make clear the perspective from which the present book is written by suggesting what a curriculum ought to do. The shorter Oxford dictionary defines curriculum as a course, especially a regular course of a study.
So, was it your just abstract which I gave for you? What is the main idea of your abstract which you have already read?
In
What
educational problem, curriculum problem.
Curriculum problem.
Yes,
Have you
defining.
Have you understood what is the problem with curriculum?
Yes, I understand what is the problem. Our educational system, curriculum problem.
Especially curriculum. Yes,
Yes.
everything just is connected with curriculum. If curriculum is good, of course, knowledge also will be good. Yeah. Okay. Good. Thank you, Nagima. Please, Jansaya, continue. What can you say about your abstract, which you have read? Jansaya?
In abstract, many students notice the gap between the teacher and the school. Lots of people look at critically such a point of view might be pessimistic, but it gives an opportunity for new ideas. We can also say the gap between the curriculum and results of practice. This gap can be addressed by a research approach to teaching, where all involved in a group of teachers. The framework of the National Education Project is also useful. We need to lay a foundation on which to build. Therefore, it's so important to formulation and solve the issue, the curriculum development.
Development, yes. Okay. Okay, thank you, Jansaya. Who will continue? Gulsara, please.
Yes, in main idea, this curriculum problem,
Problem.
We do not interpret these attributes too mechanically. I think they represent in a general way. Before me, book of the 350 pages. It's called Monster Plan for Kranskolen. This book, it is a curriculum of the Norwegian Comprehensive School. Such a document isn't untypically of centralized school systems, and it is the response of such systems to the problem of ensuring regularity in the curriculum.
Good, Gulsara. Thank you. What about Asiem? Have you got ready with your abstract?
The main idea is definitions of the old curriculum, and the shorter Oxford Dictionary defined curriculum is a course, especially a regular course of study at a school or university. It records its use since the 17th century. And the dictionary offers, among others, the following definitions of regular: having a firm structure or arrangement, and marked by steadiness of uniformity of action, and conformable to some accepted or adapted rule or standard.
Of standards, yeah. Very good. Thank you, Asem. What about Arai? Arai?
Yes.
What about your abstract?
The curriculum one doesn't look at a book, but at the school. And the study of curriculum can be reduced to the empirical study of schools. The curriculum isn't the intention or prescription, but what happens in real situations. It is not aspiration, but the achievement. The problem of specifying the curriculum is one of perceiving, understanding, and describing what is actually going on in school and classroom. And curriculum study is case study.
Yes, it's a case study also, yeah. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. Mulder. Mulder, what about Mulder?
The main idea is to the British teacher, such an approach to the curriculum is quite novel, but in some countries, the first thing that comes to mind when mention is made of the curriculum is a book of instructions to teachers.
Instructions.
Yes. Could you please pass me the curriculum? One might almost say. Such a view equates the curriculum with a written prescription of what it is intended should happen in schools. Basically, the curriculum is what happens in children to children in schools as a result of what teachers do. It includes all of the experiences of children for which the school should accept responsibility.
Yes, accept responsibility.
Yes.
Okay, Mulder, thank you so much. Please, Nagima.
Yes. We appear to be confronted by two different views of the curriculum. On the one hand, the curriculum is seen as an intention, plan, or prescription, an idea about what one would like to happen in schools. On the other, it is seen as the exciting state of affairs in schools. What does in fact happen? And science neither intentions nor happenings can be discussed until they are described or otherwise communicated. Curriculum study rests on how we talk or write about these two ideas of curriculum. In essence, it seems to me that curriculum study is concerned with the relationship between the two views of curriculum as an intention and as a reality. I believe that our educational realities seldom conform to our educational intentions. We cannot put our policies into practice. We should not reject this is a failure to schools and teachers. We have only to look around us to confirm that it's part of the human lot. But as Karl Popper has observed, improvement is possible if we are secure enough to face and study the nature of our failures. The central problem of curriculum study is the gap between our ideas and aspirations and our attempts to operationalize them. That's all.
Yes, thank you, Nagima. Very good, very good. Thank you for sharing with your abstracts. You see, as I see, you have well prepared, and I see that you have understood in what way you have to introduce you, in what way you have to just speak about your research papers. Yes, very good. Thank you so much. So let's continue with our presentation. So assessment, we need to finish it. You see, evaluate student, I already evaluated. You see, it's not very easy to read and to understand, as you just experienced. You have become an experience. As you more read such papers, you will more understand, and then we do need to continue with essay writing. Do you understand? Thank you so much. Okay, I think just you have just developed your view of reading and mastering research papers. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice evening. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, teacher.
So don't forget,
Thank you, teacher.
we do need to continue
Thank
with
you,
the
teacher.
second chapter. With the second chapter, yes? Your home task will be the next chapter. Okay. Enjoy the evening. Bye-bye.
Bye.